how to fix iPhone black screen problem. Now there are 5 different things that you could try. So step number 1 is try to force restart your iPhone. Most of the time this will fix the problem. So you want to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, and then press and hold on the side button until you see the Apple logo appear. So let's do it now. Volume up, volume down, and then press and hold on the side button. Now continue to hold until you see the Apple logo appear on the screen. Okay, so continue to hold, continue to hold. Now the Apple logo will appear, and let's go off the buttons. Okay, so that's step 1. If it does not work, go to step 2. Now sometimes when you leave your phone off for too long or run out of battery for too long, it can stay really flat. So the next thing that you want to try is to plug your phone into a charger for at least 30 minutes. So if you can, try to use the original or MFI certified chargers and cable, and leave it charging even if the screen stays black. So leave it charging for at least 30 minutes. At that time, you can come back and check on your iPhone and see if it's the battery issue or it's just simply because of a flat battery. Okay, so that's step number 2, is to make sure you have enough charge to power up your iPhone. Okay, so step number 3 is to check for display damage. You can try to shine a flashlight onto your screen. If you can see faint icons, so it kind of like very faint, but you can see it at an angle, so you move your phone at an angle and try to shine the flashlight on, and if you can see the icons, now that means you have a backlight issue. So your LCD or LED backlight is damaged, and it could be the cables has been damaged. It could be anything that caused the LCD or the LED to be damaged. So at which point you probably need to repair the actual hardware, the actual screen. So hopefully it's not that, but always check to see if you can see faint icons on the display. Okay, so step number 4 is to try and force DFU mode restart on your iPhone. To boot into DFU mode, you want to quickly press and release the volume up, then quickly press and release the volume down button, then press and hold the side button until you see the screen goes black. And as soon as the screen turns black, hold both the side button and the volume down button together for around 5 seconds. Now after 5 seconds, release the side button, but hold the volume down button for another 5 to 10 seconds. If you've done this correctly, the iPhone screen will stay completely black, and Finder or iTunes will detect the device, saying iPhone has been detected in recovery mode. Also, before you start, make sure your iPhone is connected to the Mac or PC using a Lightning cable or USB-C cable. So we can try it now. So we plug the phone into the computer with a USB-C cable. Here we can quickly press volume up, volume down, then press and hold on the side buttons. So press and hold until the screen goes black, and as soon as you see the screen turns black, hold both the side button and the volume down button together for about 5 seconds. So wait for the screen to go black. If it doesn't go black, then maybe we need to repress the button again. See, so we try it again. Volume down, volume up. So volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the side button for around 10 seconds. And then get ready to press and hold on the volume down button. Okay, now we press and hold on the volume down buttons for another 5 seconds. Then we let go of the side button and continue to hold down the volume down buttons. Now, if the computer does not detect your phone in recovery mode, then that means the button's timing has been wrong. You need to try again. It can be hard to time it correctly, but you need to time it correctly for this to work. You need to press and hold on the sub button for 10 seconds and then the sequence needs to be done correctly and the timing needs to be done correctly. So you may need to try this several times before you get it right. Now in here, you can see it will say recovery mode. So I click on allow. Here, step number 5, you can choose either update or restore. Now you should try to use the update option first to avoid data loss. If it fails, then you can try to use the restore option. Using the restore option will cause you to lose the data on your device. And I'll cancel it for now. And if that still doesn't work, you want to go to step number 6. Step number 6 is to remove the screen protector and hard case. Sometimes the sensor at the top here get blocked, causing a black screen by a hard case covering the sensor or a bad or a cheap screen protector. Okay, so those are the things that you could try to restore a black screen on your iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.